something very exciting for you, and I'll give you a hint. On day 5 of creation, God created the birds of the air and the fish of the sea. And when I was walking this morning, do you remember what I have in my neighborhood? Peacocks. I have peacocks in my neighborhood. And at this time of the year, the boy peacock, he's the peacock and the girl is the peahen, the boy sheds his beautiful feathers, and so I found all of these beautiful feathers laying along the road, and so I collected them and I thought, I will share them with you so that you can enjoy them as well. What I thought we could do is kind of look at them. Okay, this one is very, very tall. And I got another one here. Let's compare and see which one's the tallest. Ooh, wow. This one right here is taller. Then I've got another one, and it is short. So his feathers are not all the same size, are they? Okay, so I'll put those down. Now we're going to talk about measuring. I know in one of my other read alouds, inch by inch, we talked about measuring and ways that we can do it. We can measure with a ruler, and a ruler is 12 inches long. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. So an inch, as I told you last time, you put your pointer finger on the edge and your thumb right here in the number 1, and that'll give you 1 inch. So that's a 1 inch measure. That's called a standard measurement, because when carpenters measure things, when seamstresses, people that sew things measure, we measure by the inch. Okay, and I've got a yardstick. This is 36 inches long. We might be able to use this to measure one of our feathers if it's not longer than 36 inches long. And I also went into my sewing room and I got my tape measure that I use. I usually put it around my neck like this, and it's got measurement by the inch. Right there, there's an inch. And let's see how long this is. My goodness gracious, it is 60 inches long. So that could be useful or helpful in measuring. When Mr. Burkett is building things like benches and tables and shelves and whatever I ask him to build for me, he uses his tape measure and he measures. First he measures to see how long he wants to make it so that he can plan his project. So this is 25 feet long. So it would be like 25 of these rulers arranged end to end. So as you can see, that goes out a long way. All right, so those are our standard measurements. Those are inches. This is measured by inches. And then when you get to 12 inches, you can go ahead and say 1 foot. So that's 25 feet. And so let's go ahead and measure. Let's measure our feather, one of our feathers, okay? So I have a ruler here, and what I could do, since the feather is taller than the ruler, I can actually just kind of mark it and go 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet. Oh my goodness, it's about 4 feet long. Wow, that is long. Let's see. I've got my other one here that's shorter. Okay, I'm going to use my yardstick because it's taller than my ruler here, even though I could go ahead and set it end to end and then count on for the inches. Or I could go ahead and take my yardstick and do it like this. I can do it either way and go all the way to the end here, and it looks like it is about 23 inches long. Wow, that's long. My goodness, so you could have fun measuring all day long. Now, we also have non-standard units of measure, things that we don't usually measure with but are fun, and my students have always enjoyed using these. One of them that we use cubes to measure. So I've got 10 cubes here, and what I did was I have each color 10. So you can count by tens, you can count by ones if you want, but we know there are 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I could put that at the end there, and then go ahead and put this next. Oh, that's perfect. So we've got 10, 20, 30 cubes high, or we could say 30 cubes long. We could count those by ones, but as I said, it's much faster to count these cubes by tens because they're separated by colors. So we could actually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, or we could go 10, 20, 30. See how much faster that is. Unit of measure that I have are links. So we can take these colorful links and we can measure. Okay, again, they're grouped by color in tens. So I've got 10. This one's about 30 links long. So I've gotten all the way to the end. So you could just measure all kinds of things. I will see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, go ahead and hit like, or I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, I will see you and keep on loving learning. Bye-bye.